Welcome back to my video. This is Kisi. In this video, I will show this Wix.com website and function in Wix.com. Return in Wix.com. Please continue to watch this video and please end viewing. Right now, this will show in Wix.com is this, for example, this and web design and Shablan and editor and mobile device and professional. This, for example, we show this business as, for example, a website for internet shop. This ecommerce and for example, for shop, internet magazine for shopping, shop, and this and the method and how to open in Wix.com shop, and this them different them these prank layers and page market will deliver everything you need. For example, we click in this picture and this product internet and for example in the different time and the first mobile is fresh market, for example, with shop online. For example, you have in fresh market and will deliver whatever you need. For example, shop online and for example this a special price and for one, for example, product at the cart this special price product and the pomodoro and cheese, and then you need, for example, you can change price and more function into, for example, grab a no-go and milk and banana and different cheese and bread, egg and for any time. For example, this pick up on options and paragraph and click into create your own text and time edit me what your result get to know the same day delivery and, for example, and health safety rules. So this is in function and this option, this product shop. This, for example, this previous code, and for example we choose and next or get the color, for example, in baggage. And the next is protein. For example, click on this picture of proteins and for Wix.com in the shop, and for example you have and the shopping from protein and the next and generate and forever card. For example, this is 25 rises shop now. For example, reach our maximum capacity, go farther than you allowed with capacity supplements. So this and the featured products and featured products in this, for example, this package product powder and BTAs for pre-workout to cart and next, for example, this beautiful portal for bodybuilders just and create products to help you reach the fitness goals you never knew and you hadn't product. And click here to add your own text and edit, and it's easy. Just click edit to text and double click to me on our content and make change on what's your purpose. And for example this your description for purpose and muscle strength and performance focus and etc. There's 3 ways to build a bigger arms faster. How to push, what's your peak performance, the best time to drink your protein and why. So this and a function you need. And that's all for now. I hope this interesting video for you. If you like the video, please put like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching your time. See you next my best video. Bye bye.